Hello, what's up mga ka-baby out? This is your midwife Grace of Entrusted Hands Birthing Station. I hope everyone is doing great today. At ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin yung isang type ng family planning which is a natural method. So ano nga ba yun? If you wanna know more, just don't skip. Panoorin mo muna yung video na to. Baka sakaling nasagot ko na ang tanong mo. So sa panahon ngayon, karaniwan na mga ginagamit na contraception is yung mga artificial, ano ba yan? Yung injectable, yung pills, condom, yung implant, and then yung IUD, which is a form of, for me, it's a form of, hindi siya natural, parang artificial contraception. So today, we will talk about one of the natural family planning methods na bukod sa natural siya is very beneficial pa sa inyong mga mommies na kakapanganak lang. Ang tawag natin sa method na to is yung lactation amenorrhea method. So, ito yung method na very helpful sa mga mommies na kakapanganak pa lang. So, let me enumerate to you yung mga specific na benefits and of course, yung benefits hindi lang para sa inyong mga mommies na kakapanganak lang, kundi para din sa inyong mga babies. So, eto yon. Lactation amenorrhea method is a way of breastfeeding to temporarily help prevent pregnancy. So, it must be used correctly to work, and breastfeeding hormones can stop your body from releasing eggs, and you can't get pregnant if you don't release an egg. So, yung lactation amenorrhea method nating tinatawag is yung temporary, temporary na pag-stop ng fertility while you are breastfeeding. So, lactation, it means your body is making breast milk. And amenorrhea means the absence o yung pagkawala ng inyong monthly period. So, habang kayo ay nagpapadede, in a span of 6 months, yan is nagpo-produce ng natural family planning method para sa inyo. So, gaano ba kaganda o gaano ba ka-epektibo yung LAM? So, you can get pregnant as early as 1 month after having a baby. Yun yung katotohanan. Kung hindi kayo nagbe-breastfeed or hindi kayo gumagamit ng birth control. So, pag perfect yung pagkakaano nyo ng lactation amenorrhea, there is a chance of 98% effectivity against early pregnancy after your delivery. Kasi sabi nga, as early as 1 month, mabubuntis kayo kung hindi rin lang naman kayo regular na nagpapasuso or gumagamit ng artificial na contraception. Also, paano ba yan gumagana? Tingnan natin. So again, mga ka-baby out, gusto ko lang i-remind na ang LAM or yung lactation amenorrhea method ay hindi nagpaka-prevent ng pagkahawa sa HIV at saka sa mga sexually transmitted diseases. Ayan. So, what are the benefits of lactation amenorrhea method? So, this will work or this can work up until 6 months after birth. And it is very effective right away, kapag kayo nagpapadede na. So, there are no added hormones that can affect your breast milk. Kasi nga, kapag kayo is naggamit ng artificial contraception, nag-i-introduce kayo ng ibang mga ingredients sa katawan o yung mga gamot na introduce nyo sa katawan which will affect the breast milk. There are some contraceptive methods na nakakapagpa-stop ng ating breast milk production. And then, the other one is there's no cost. Walang bayad sa birth control na to at wala din tayong birth control na supplies na kailangan gamitin. Breastfeeding has many other health benefits for you and your baby, of course. Kaya ini-encourage namin kayo ng mga mommies na nakakapanganak pa lang, as much as possible, i-breastfeed po natin ang ating mga baby. The fact na hindi lang siya para kay baby, yung benefits alone, also para sa inyo din yan. Para sa health nyo, and of course, this one, lactation amenorrhea method, is very beneficial for you, especially sa mga nagtitipid na hindi basta makapag-avail. Although meron tayong mga free sa RHU, hindi basta makapunta, this will be an effective and immediate way for you to use birth control. And very natural siya. So, ano naman yung mga disadvantage ng LAM or yung lactation amenorrhea method? So, meron kasing mga mommies na nahihirapan or it may be difficult for some to fully or nearly breastfeed their baby. So, case-to-case basis yan. Alam naman natin dito sa Pilipinas, kapag kayo inanganak, kahit sa lying-in, sa ospital, o mapasaan man na mga paanakan, we encourage you to breastfeed. But there are some cases na hindi talaga makapag-breastfeed yung mommy. So, on a separate video, I will create that para magkaroon kayo ng ano ba yung mga factors that affects the mommy or prevents the mommy or hinder them to breastfeed their child. Ang isa pa, fertility can return quickly if breastfeeding is reduced. So, yun nga, yung kagaya ng nabanggit ko, pag mixed feeding na, hindi na siya gaanong ka-effective kasi yung breast milk production hindi na stimulate, unlike dun sa very exclusive siya na breastfeed lang. And the other thing is that this method will last only for 6 months. There are some mommies o mga nanay na wala pang 6 months nagkakaroon na ng period. So I will advise you sa aking mga patients before I advise them as early as 4 months hanap na sila ng contraceptive na talagang para sa kanila. I-consult nila kami para mapag-usapan natin as early as 4 months kung ayaw nyo talagang masundan kaagad yung inyong pregnancy. And lastly, if LAM is not used correctly, there is a higher risk of failure from even one act of vaginal sex. So, isa lang na magkamali kayo, nakalimutan nyo, there is a possibility na magkaroon kayo ng pregnancy, very early pregnancy after your birth. Yan. Remember, it's going to be earliest is 1 month after your birth. Possible ka nang mabuntis. Okay? Again, mga ka-baby out, I would just like to reiterate na para maging effective ang LAM, kailangan masundan nyo yung mga criteria na binigay ko earlier sa video na to. Ngayon, kung there will be a chance na bumalik ng maaga yung inyong menstruation, I will advise you to consult your OB-GYN at yung mga midwives nyo na provider para mabigyan kayo ng advice kung ano ba yung best fit na contraceptive para sa inyo. Again, kapag hindi nasunod yung mga points na binigay ko, possibly as early as 1 month, magkakaroon na kayo ng second baby or kasunod nung pinanganak nyo recently lang. So, mahirap yan. Kung may natutunan kayo sa ating video for today, please don't forget to heart this video and also hit that plus sign para naman next time hindi ka na malate sa mga updates natin. And of course, kung nasa YouTube naman kita, huwag mo nang kalimutang mag-subscribe and also click that bell icon para ma-notify kita kung meron na tayong mga updates na bago. And for your private inquiries, please don't forget to contact us at these contact numbers above. And also, pwede din kayo mag-message sa ating mga social media accounts and post your comment in this video. Again, this is your midwife Grace of Entrusted Hands Birthing Station and we provide you with quality maternal care. Hanggang sa susunod mga ka-baby out, see you and take care! Bye-bye!